Hi and welcome back. So, making some progress on the Doomsday Machine hat. Got me some more foam cores made. This is starting to give an idea just how big this is going to be. There's 12 inches and it comes up to 19 inches in total at the moment, and we've still got the tail to do. Next stage though, these I'm going to cut in half because we're going to start putting our headpiece in. Move some of this out of the way. So these will cut in half. So this will fit into it. I've made this as a mould for how it'll go on my head. This does fit. So I'm going to papier-mâché over this. So this will then drop out. Then we're going to fit it. Be complicated, but I am going to make it fit inside here. And then I need to leave the space to get the electronics into this section, which shouldn't be too difficult because I'll just put it all on a Arduino Nano. But it's the motors and the mechanism that's going to take space. So I'll get this papier-mâché, these cut in half, and we'll start looking at how this is all going to fit together. Right, we've made a bit of progress here. So where my head's going to fit, so the hat part, is papier-mâché. This is still drying at the moment. I've got this section is glued on, ready to be papier-mâchéed over. I'm going to do these two pieces separately because this one needs to be detachable and that'll be held in with magnets. But that needs to be detachable because all the electronic, or a lot of the electronics, are going to live under here. So that's my piece to come off. So for obvious reasons, I can't glue that one on either. So them two separately papier-mâchéed. Also got, running out of space. Also got what's going to be the bottom part, which will obviously fit on like so, to give us sort of this length. This is going to have a hole cut sort of there for that hat piece to sit into. Then I'll sort of secure it more, make it more firm and secure in here. But I glued them together so that it'd be easier to work on. So I'm going to get some more papier-mâché down, wait for that piece to dry, and we'll have another look at things. Right, so my headpiece is done. This is out the mould. I've just got this bit of foaming to hold it in place. Well, to stop it falling back in when I stick it inside here. As you can see, I've cut a hole. So this will go over. So I'm going to get this stuck in next, then sealed up, and we'll have a look when it's all together. We'll probably slant these sides slightly just to sort of make it all look the same. We'll do that with papier-mâché again, and at the same time I will remember to put the a socket in for power supply. So I'll get this stuck in and we'll have a look at where we're up to with everything. Right, so I've got the headpiece in place now. I did remember to put a power jack in with some wires, and they will move. That isn't going anywhere in that thing, so that's well secured in place. We've got this part is now, oops, that way up, will fit here. Check my arrows. And we have these pieces will fit in. These are deliberately loose. These are going to be access points. So these are going to be fitted in with magnets. Because then I can get to the electronics and fitting the Enterprise on. Still in two minds where to go with the Enterprise. But we can make that decision further down the road. So my next thing to do is to get the bottom of this hat a bit neatened up and papier-mâché into this bottom part so we get it all matched up. But I think I will do that in the next episode. I think this is a really good place to end where we've got to here. We've got some good structure made. So next time when we come back, we'll be getting this papier-mâché in place, connecting this section in, getting the magnets fitted, and then possibly getting the tail end done, so we'll have the entire body of the Doomsday Machine built. But till then, thank you for watching this time. Keep trekking and keep modelling. Thank you. Goodbye.